Hello, I'm Professor Johanna Gibson. I'm Herschel Smith Professor of Intellectual Property Law at Queen Mary University of London. I'm also the Director of the LLM, and I'm also the Program Director for the LLM in Fashion Law. I'm here to introduce you to the wonderful module Animal Law, Media and Culture. This module brings together animal law, animal welfare law, and intellectual property law, as well as media studies and communication studies, to understand the uses and representations of animals in the creative industries, as well as the creativity of animals themselves. We look at welfare law and welfare jurisprudence, and we examine the theories of sentience and consciousness, all of which are very relevant to the question of authorship. And authorship is, of course, relevant to the question of personhood. And this is why intellectual property has some really interesting insight for animal welfare. So questions of non-human animal creativity provide considerable insight also into the creativity or otherwise of non-human machines and artificial intelligence. We trace sentience through these theories of authorship in copyright jurisprudence, and we look at a range of creative industries, from film and television to social media and regulation of the social media environment, fashion and advertising, including consumer activism and brand activism, and art, including the interaction between morality and the enforcement of intellectual property. And the use of animals in art is a really big issue, but there's also some really interesting questions around the collaboration and co-production with animals in art. And ultimately, we're also very interested in looking at animals as creators themselves. This relationship between authorship and personhood is very important. So we examine these theories of personhood, the significance of authorship, and how to recognize authorship in copyright. And we do this looking from non-human animals right through to artificial intelligence. The module is examined by an essay. It's a research essay, and it is a free topic because you are encouraged to really think about the wider questions and really delve into what is really exciting to you about the module and producing a fantastic essay.